Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video on Simply Crypto. Today's video is going to be all about Spartacus Finance, a DeFi 2.0 protocol, basically an Ohm fork operating on the Phantom network. I will put down their documents, their Twitter page, and the chart for the token into the description. Okay, so I'm bullish on Spartacus. Why? Simply because they have two huge things which are about to release. The first one being Spartacadabra, a borrowing platform. I'm not sure if you can put in your staked Spartacus as collateral and then borrow against, but that would be pretty cool. And Spartacadabra really reminds me of Abracadabra. I'm not sure if they bought some kind of license to be able to create such a thing, but this looks really bullish to me. On top of that, there is going to be an airdrop for Spartacus bonders and stakers. When you stake your Spartacus, you receive S Spartacus tokens into your wallet, or if you bond and buy Spartacus at a premium price, you also are eligible for this airdrop. The airdrop is going to be $charm tokens, which are going to be the governance token of Spartacus protocol, Spartacus Finance. Just now, not too known YouTuber, his name is Alpha Only on YouTube, you can check him out. On his Discord server, he has just posted this screenshot where he asked a team member of Spartacus protocol if there has been a snapshot already for this upcoming airdrop, and the team member apparently answered with no snapshot has been taken yet, and of course confirming that both bonders and the stakers will be eligible to participate in the airdrop and then receive their charm tokens. Whether this is real or fake could be argued, but I trust this guy. This guy has 17k subscribers on YouTube. His content is pretty good, nothing clickbaity, catchy. It's always only quality and information. So I think this is a legit screenshot. Nevertheless, we know that Spartacadabra is dropping by the end of November, so roughly 9 to 10 days. And on top of that, since this is a DeFi 2.0 protocol, you are receiving almost 15%. Of course, these numbers vary, but they're usually around this. You receive almost 15% every 5 days, which is really good. This sounds awesome to me. This is the chart. And yeah, please do your own research. This is not financial advice. This is solely my opinion on this. And that's it. That's it for this video. Thank you for tuning in. I will see you in the next one. Peace out.